Welcome back to the shop. Today we're firing up the laser for a project that is pure 1971 nostalgia. We are meeting the grooviest werewolf to ever hit the airwaves, the Wolfman, from the Canadian cult classic The Hilarious House of Frightenstein. If you grew up in Canada or saw this in syndication, you know the drill. Station EECH, that's EECH, Yuck, was the home of the Midnight Mix-Up. The Wolfman was played by the legendary Billy Van, who actually played almost every character on the show. He'd jump into that booth, howl at the moon, and spin records that would make you want to hurl, with excitement, of course. As the laser works its magic on this coaster, you can almost hear Sly and the Family Stone playing. Every segment featured the Wolfman and Igor dancing in silhouette against those trippy, psychedelic backgrounds. It was low budget, high energy, and completely weird, which is exactly why we still love it 50 years later. I always wondered what else he had in that record crate besides I Want to Take You Higher. Probably some Three Dog Night or the Grassroots. There he is, looking ready to spin another track. The Hilarious House of Frightenstein is still out there on streaming if you want to relive the madness. This coaster turned out great, definitely a golden oldie for the collection. Thanks for watching, and stay groovy.